So welcome guys. Thanks for being here. Another morning. We got some news. Well, just one news for the no, two news for price index and the Chicago PMI negative. Negative for USD. So for that reason we are going today it's totally green. So well, um Okay, so the only good thing is now we got another volume by some in 34. So we will work around 48. Yeah, here. This is what we have. So well, um, Hassan, his name. If you can contact me, probably it's because you insist and insist and insist and insist and insist and insist, and probably I will block you. Sorry, my friend. Just respond the email what you receive by the BT markets by my team. They will contact you by email. But to be honest, all the requests for the BT markets is by email, not by WhatsApp. Okay, so just be patient. Probably you in the next let me check. I'm seeing here Hasnain Muhammad, and the deposit was for 11 um, $11. So the minimum deposit for receive the email is $200. Probably for that reason, um, probably for that reason, the team is not giving you the access. The minimum deposit for get the access for with BT Markets is $200. I'm seeing here your account, my friend, and it's in $11. That's 36 cents. Guys, starting today, I'm just going to accept messages um, in English or Spanish. Okay, so um, try to try to clarify the your answers by Telegram. I will share the email manually for Hussein. There he will see the information. Just wait the information, my friend. Uh, but yes, if you want to receive the access and you want to use BT markets, the option is minimum you need to deposit $200. I explain here the the steps. His Telegram is a scam for sure, my friend. He sends someone else signals and claims it's his for sure. Probably this guy is new. Um, probably he. And well, probably the most of the people here when I win the entries and everything, or where I'm going to against the trend. No, I'm going to ignore him. I'm not going to block him. I want to see. Um, I want to see the answers here for MPL. Probably he's a guy what I block, and he's angry, and that's it. But that's funny. That's funny. Yes, for sure. So I'm copy for another trader. I share the entries into the into the into the Telegram, into the Discord for sure. This type of guys. Yes, most of the people who wrote this, it's like people angry. That people, I block that people most of the time, every day in WhatsApp. Answer the requesting free signals by WhatsApp. Well, that things happen. That things happen. Johnny T, my friend, welcome, my friend, welcome. I don't worry about the negative people, my friend. To be honest, see your position. I did great profit. Thanks, my friend. Thanks. Because it already break. Uh, Anaski because the cell phone was taken. The cell phone was taken. People won't appreciate the free signal, so they insult. The people like that guy is just basically. I'm pretty sure it's someone what I block in WhatsApp, or he just requests me something for the free access, and just denied, the the access, and that's it. And for that reason, he's coming here. Um, he's trying to disrespect my work, but I know my community, guys, and I know you know my work, you know my signals, and for that reason, I don't care about these guys. So, well, yesterday, yes, in Tokyo session, I opened a position around 3408. That was a beautiful point. That was a really nice point. So, so yeah, it was really, really, really nice. Have you ever tried London session, Sebastian? No. You grow August month gold profit 100. Yes, it's 1,155 pips. This is the recap for the pips for today. Retest, yes, I'm waiting the retest, but probably we will touch the 334.48 first. It's a really nice strategy, my friends. A really nice strategy. You have a really good profits most of the time, at least. I would say 80% of the time, 70% of the time, we will touch TP1 and TP2. Doesn't Johnny T? Mm, if you are, it depends of your country. I think you're from United States, right? And Bond Doctor. That's the other thing I have to learn in things for sure, my friend. Just try to find something about um the volume sums. The volume sums. Australia. Australia. It works. It works in Australia with no issues. So try to click it here. There you will see the information. Yes, of course I'm not a scam. The people, I'm here for the reason I'm giving you my face, Grace. I'm always here. You can contact me by WhatsApp. You can do all your positions with me. Everything is clear here. My losses, Bitcoin, for example, I lose Bitcoin, I lose 0 USD. Yesterday, I lose a position here. And well, I always share um, my losses. I always share my losses. I always share my wins too. So the information is there. If you want to consume the product, of course, I appreciate that. But I never disappear. For example, if I lose or something, I always say here is if this is a stop loss, it's a stop loss. If a win is a win, and that's it. That's very simple. Mm. Losing is part of the trading, yes, for sure. Um, yes, that's the thing, guys. So many people don't like the stop loss. I was in a buy position from 34.07, but I closed my entry at 34.16. Well, it was around 100 bits. That was good, my friend Yashi. You don't know, This reaction is for the news, not for other things. It's for the news. Holy smokes! Thanks for your free signals, Brian, my friend. It's a pleasure. Pleasure. Gold now, gold down. Guys, do you not sell? Should we sell? No. But 3348, well, 34 to 48. So, well, check the news, guys. Yes, we already see the news. Negative, totally negative for the USD, and for that reason, so well, arriving into the sell zone, I have open buys. Excellent. What the sell zone price is around 34.50. To be honest, I want to trade with a sell position. Um, but well, let's see what happened with the reactions there. Probably the price is stopped there. Thanks for the trade this morning. Keep re-entering, keep printing onto the big push of New York. Still in the trade, and it's printed perfect, my friend. That's great. That's great. Beautiful, beautiful trading. My bid was taken, but well, I know some people likes to hold the positions and everything. So yes, the first trade for the Telegram access was beautiful. As the user story, Nasdaq same. Not that much. Not that much to be honest. I'm seeing the mm, it's falling. They're falling very hard. So hard. But yes, that's true. I'm probably prepare the sell position in Dow Jones. So probably I will start with the trade in Nasdaq. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Nasdaq. And the Telegram is not for free, guys. Just remember it as a friendly reminder. So, well, starting the day with the Nasdaq trade. Okay. 23, 0, 0, 10. Okay, give me 1 second. Clarifying the TPS into the NAS trade. This is for the people in Telegram. Remember it because it's a common answer. If you're using XNES for the trades in Nasdaq and the Dow Jones, you need to skip the trades because XNES have many pips of difference with that assets. So yes, 23, 3. It's normal to have 10, 8 pips difference. It's totally valid. But XNES sometimes it's 20 and 25 pips difference. So yes. Mhm. Okay, there we are. Looks great. That trade is nice. Let's file in the Nasdaq trade. Is there a TP for Nasdaq? Yes, I have a TP. Sebastian, I already update the the Telegram. Just go there and check the information there. Let me check if everything is okay there. Okay, stop. 23, 510. Okay, 74. Okay, great. Okay, first trade of the day is a Nasdaq trade. We almost everyone is on sell. Come on, gold is going up. It's weird. It doesn't matter if most of the people go. Most if the 1,200 people here goes um, in sell positions, nothing happened. The price will not move because guys, as I told you every day, the market don't care about us. The market don't care about us, and for that reason, even if all the subscribers for this channel open a sell zone, open a sell position, the price will continue up because we are nothing for the market. So, well, let's see the reactions. 34, 45. What are you trading? And this is gold. Okay, yes, people in chat, and to stop pushing signals is confuse anyone new here. Yes, it's wild, but it's difficult to control. 1,000 people you see in the stream now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm going to grade it here just for be clear. There. So yes, guys, for the people in Telegram, I would say 90% of the people in Telegram use different brokers, guys. Normal difference in for gold. All the brokers have basically the same prices, 2 or 3 pips difference, five sometimes. But with Nasdaq and Dow Jones, it's different. In Nasdaq, in some brokers, you need to add more lots for provide you a good profit, and in other brokers is the same or expensive than gold, so you need to reduce the the lot size, for example. So you need to know your broker. That's it, and then explain it into the guidelines. The prices in Nasdaq is normal, 5, 8, 10 pips, 15 pips difference is normal. Um, well, it's something what I can do nothing. I'm trying to give the point, understanding the reactions there. It's differing in many many points, but it's the same. If you open a position if you take a position, for example, the trade, your stop loss will give you 10 pips less, and for the TPS 10 pips less, for example, and that's it. It's nothing wrong, just you need to follow the instructions into the Telegram and you will be okay. And that's it. It's just pretty simple. It's pretty simple. With the Nasdaq, unfortunately, I'm not going to push all the people like, okay, you need to use PT markets. If you don't use PT markets, you are not going to be into the broker, into my channel. And that's not the idea, That's not the idea. The idea is use the broker what you want, but be clear. Everyone here is using different brokers, and the different prices is totally okay. So, so yes, this is for the people in Telegram. Many questions about the different prices is something what I explained to the guidelines. Um, you need to understand. The economy is extremely worse. One reason I have shorted 3 lots. 3 lots is too much, my friend. 3 lots is too much. So well, um, okay, arriving into the sell zone. Okay. Okay. So well, okay, guys. So it's a difficult. Let me clarify this. Okay. Let me clarify this. Okay. Let me explain something. Let me explain something. What we are at this moment. So basically, at this moment, we're working volume and sell some since this is for April 23. April 23 was a good reaction and it gave us a maximum 3350, 3450, sorry, 3450. This is for April. This is the over volume sell zone. Okay. So when the price touch this point, if we check 34, going back, always a reaction. When we arrive here, June 12th, it gives us a reaction as again, generating a resistance there. And when the price touched the 3450, the price just go back in a hard reaction, right? This is the reactions what we have for this moment when the price touched the 34. Okay, inclusive if it goes back to the 32.60. Um, and well, now the price touch again the 34, the 34. Well, almost the 34.50, and the price again goes back to the, at this point 32.60. Now we start these volumes at this moment. And for the news at this point, we are generating some sums here, volume, sell sums. 5 minutes for break the point in 34.46. So okay, so well, if you check the information there, we can go to the 34.64. So so give me 1 second, for clarify here. Euro, no, this is for gold. So well, it's 3 minutes for break the volume thousand, but that break is not that clear. So you can see the price is still there, like testing that sun, very shy. That is something what I want to explain you guys. Like price looks very shy. Mm. So, well, let's go back to the regional chart. Okay. So, well, let me see. Looks like a great reaction, to be honest. Okay, it break this the 0.5. So it goes back to it respect the thousand. It respect the thousand. So and give us the confirmation. Okay, let's try this position. Okay, but we need a consolidation in 1 minute to clarify this position. So probably in the next one or two candles, we will open the position. Okay. So let's be ready. Let's be ready. Thirty-four, 48. So well, looks like a strong consolidation. Now, of course, we will work the retracement, right? We will work the retracement. Well, if the price continue falling like this, we will change the plan. Back to the normal plan to open a long position. Just be patient, guys. Hard reaction at this point. So that retracement could be a good point. Be patient, guys. Remember, today is Friday, so relax. Be patient and relax, okay? Okay, going back again. So let's be ready. It's going there. 3,348. Arriving. So let's be ready. Prepare the entry. 3,347, 3,348, 3,349. It's over point. I'm into a sell position now. Remember, use the proper lot size for your account. It's really, really important to use the proper lot size for your account for this type of markets. It's a difficult situation, okay? What we are seeing into the gold market, 3,348, sorry, 3,3448. So be clear of that, okay? Be clear of that. Okay. Let me clarify here. 35. Stop loss 34.52. No more than that. $43. Okay, almost touched the TP1. That's great. So, well, nice reaction into the 34.48. Well, it was a really nice reaction here. 90 is TP1. 30. Let's see if the sellers can continue a road to the TP1. Hagámosle 50 mejor. 50. Okay, almost touched the TP1. Last 2 minutes, of course, these 2 minutes we need to stay under the 0.5 near to the TP1. Three 34.48. That was our point. And continue confused with the 3-3. Many weeks same 3-3. Now it's 34. Okay, TP1. Okay, TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. 32 pips. Okay, almost TP2. Almost TP2. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. Okay, now it's time to be in break even. TP2 it's now. Break even it's now. Break even it's now, guys. Break even it's now. Partial, please. Partials. Okay. Really fast. Really fast. Really fast. Really fast rate. Share your profits. Share your profits into the chat, guys. Share your profits into the chat. That's not great in NAS for just 6 pips. We didn't touch the DP1. So let's see. Let's see the reactions there. So well, it was a beautiful reaction into the sell zone. 34.48. And explained the zone around 30 minutes ago. So if you want to check that explanation, just go back into the stream and you will see why I choose the 34.48. Okay, guys, TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. If you are not taking any position, if you are not taking any partial, it's now, guys. Take some partial. So Shan. Okay, now it's doing small retracement monthly. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. Geo, $200. Beautiful. Harsh hat, $242. $14. Let's hold the blue numbers. Let's hold the blue numbers, but set the break even, guys. Set the break even. Set the break even and take some partials, guys. Hide volatility day. So please be clear of that, okay? Ryan Sinas, $84. Beautiful. Book half. Excelente. Excellent. Madney. That's what I'm talking about. He booked $150 at 0.5 lot. Beautiful. To $523. That's great. Great, bro. Great. Perfect. Share your profits. And remember, guys, we are into the. It's a scalping, right? It's a scalping. So let's see. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Thanks, Larry. I just joined the Telegram group and immediately start making money. Thanks. It's a pleasure, Tony. Thanks to you for your support. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. And thanks for everyone who understand the positions. Uh, um, there's an option. So well, going up. Remember, my B it's around 34.49. The reaction zone what we have here it's this 34.46. Okay, so if we continue near to the TP1, we have high probabilities to touch the TP3. Okay, so yes, sorry for my dogs. Sorry for my dogs. Sometimes they're crazy. Pip Squad, my friend. Telegram is the same for everyone. If we join Monday, yes, Telegram is the same for everyone. Telegram is the same for everyone. I don't have like a. The Telegram is the same. It's the same. If you want to be there, it's just there, guys. It's just there. The only way to get the access in Telegram is by The by the WhatsApp, guys. Guys, speak in English. Speak in English. Speak in English. Well, it's a difficult day, guys. I was expecting like we can continue around 34.40, but they want to take some B. Let's see the reactions. If we continue with TP1, probably we will hit the TP3. So let's see. 'Holding, holding break even, guys. Holding and break even. 34.46. Here we need to see a reaction. There is where we need to see a reaction. There is when we need to see the reaction. We need to stay under 34.46. So well, good reaction. 34.46, defending the point. So well, Nasdaq almost touched the TP1. That's great. Yesterday, Tokyo session TP1 32 pips, a long position in 3408. Unfortunately, when I go to sleep, it touched my break even, and then the price just grow up 400 pips. Things happen today. Nasdaq trade, holding the Nasdaq trade, and holding the sorry, holding the sorry, guys, holding the TP2 for gold, 48 pips. So let's see. So let's see what happened. Testing again the 3446. So well, probably we will hit the B. If the price break the 3446, we will hit the break even. Johnny T, nice my friend. He took a nice profit. That's great. That's great. Exactly. Today and this week is it's not time to be greedy, like just you need to understand the sometimes goal is not, sometimes not, most of the times goal is really really difficult. um and that's it, like it's not that easy, it's not that easy. And explain around 1 hour ago, like my point of entry could be the 3448, and that would be my point. And explain like 30 34 47 34 48 would be my point. I wait the 34 48, share the information into the Telegram on time. Then in some minutes later, TP1, TP2. I know the people here wants more, but it's pure scalping, guys. This is time is for the faster and for the smartest And that's it. That's it. It's that was the type of the reactions. Brian Hansina, sí, ya te pago, mi amigo. Ya te pago. Son $74, un año de suscripción. Significa que pagas $74 y está durante todo un año. For both another Brian, two Brian into the chat. No, guys, for the reentry, to be honest, it's not the best idea. If you already booked your profit, guys, that's it. It's Friday. Friday with a high impact news. As you can see, the news moved the market so hard. So don't be greedy. If you already take your profit, that's okay. Beautiful. Don't be greedy, okay? The sell position, it was a risky position. Um, it was a difficult position, but well, I take the position trusting in my volume sell sun. It gave us a good reaction, but as you can see, the sun is not that strong to give us more. I'm still into the trade. Probably some people is still into the trade. So let's see if the sellers lose the 0.5. Probably we can go back to the TP3. Okay. Sí, son en Tokio y New York Session. Tokio es exclusivo de Telegram y el New York, pues aquí, ¿verdad? Aquí es donde envío las canales de Nasdaq y las demás. This pair is going to fall, but not sure when. Of course, all the time goes fall, but probably not today. Can we take a re-entry for 34.48? To be honest, no. To be honest, it's better to just stay away for that position. But if you want to take the risk, that's up to you. That's up to you. We need to stay under the 0.5, okay? Even if you take the entry, for example, in 34.46, your stop loss will be the 34.49, no more than that. Sell against the tendency, yes, and we made profit, Bruna. Eso es el último llamado para una reentrada. Bueno, si quiere volver a ingresar, al menos manténgase cerca del 34.49, al menos. 34.50 podría ser, pero no más de eso. Holding the same position. Holding the same position. ¿Será conveniente entrar de nuevo? Metí unas bien tarde. Me da miedo meter reentradas, ¿verdad? En caso que se vaya negativo. Bueno, eh, ahí está la reacción. Remember, um, the 0.5 is our point of reactions, okay? Okay, again, reaction trying to break the 0.5. It's Black Knight. Panther. Mighty. Speaking indie, bro. No, I don't know how to speak in indie. What's right? Anyone, please tell me. Your team it will go down again. Brian Barros. It's breaking the 0.5, so probably no. How much gold will go down, please? Um, yes, the U.S. trade, the U.S. The Nasdaq trade continue open. The BAM. So well, it's still there. Now it is still like into the resistance zone around 30, 34, 47. So let's see. The ones for the re-entry, if we touch the TP1 again, be sure to take some partial. His name. Into the house of a brother. So while holding two trades at this moment, this one and the Nasdaq trade is still to the point of entry. Still there, the price trying to stay near to the 0.5. I'll focus. Don't sell, don't buy, just wait the market to give signals. Exactly. At this moment, the price is still there. Now it's quiet. Now it's quiet. Trying to respect the suns and everything. So let's see if we can touch again the 34, 48. Sorry, I'm talking with the people in Discord. About the Nasdaq trade. Partamish, pleasure, my friend. A pleasure. Yes, when I see too many spam about asking the same things, of course, I'm going to repeat, repeat, and repeat all that things. Okay, probably now most of the people it's out of the position. Okay, so the B is there, almost there, almost there. And the B is there. Yes, the B is there now. Okay, the B is the taken. So 48 pips. Not that much. By my side, it wasn't that much profit. Well, it's a profit, so that's great. 48 pips. So hopefully everyone here can get profits into the TP3. So well, let's see. Let's check the. Let's check the chart. Okay, it's done. The 4 hours. It's massive. It's massive. The 4 hours candle. It's massive. Okay, sorry, done, done, done. Let's break this on. Mm, Say, mhm. Okay, let me clarify here the next points. We have time. We have time. Yes, we have 4 hours. Let's vote. So well, let's vote, guys. Mauricio, hay que hacer los parciales, ¿verdad? Hay que hacer los parciales, hay que respetar el break-even. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to give 5 minutes to decide, guys. 1,240 people is here, and just 100 people is voting. I'm going to give 5 minutes. Okay, TP1 Nasdaq. Finally, guys. Finally, TP1 Nas. 61 pips. That's great. Mm. 61 pips, Nasdaq. 61 pips. So guys, I'm going to try another trade, just see if the boats arrive to at least at least 1,000 people boat. If not, I'm not going to open any position now. So both there is the options for free. Just both. If the people vote, the 1,000 people here vote, I will try to find another position. If not, so now we are in 400. 600 people is not voting. Yes. 1,000 people is seeing the stream, so it could be 1,000 votes. In the world. Waiting for all the people here. We agree. Mm-hmm. 50. So well, now it depends for all this resistance. For this resistance, but yes, guys, 15 minutes and just 500, just 500 boats. So we show you the Nasdaq trade. The Nasdaq trade was beautiful. Almost touched the TP2. Beautiful trade with not too much issues. It retests the point of entry 2 times and then go back. 61 pips with no issues. Trade for Nasdaq. Trade for Nasdaq. That was beautiful trade. Um, well, 2 trades in gold today. 2 trades in gold today. The first one give us the TP2. We open a short position in 34.48 and a long position in Tokyo session in 34.08. Unfortunately, in Tokyo session, it touched the break even and then it gave us that beautiful reaction here. So, well, it was a really successful week, really successful month, really successful month. This is the recap for the month. Well, I need to add the pips here into the NAS. Let's add the 65 for Nasdaq. So, well, the recap for the trades in Telegram: 1,203 pips in positive for gold. Nasdaq 365 pips in positive. Dow Jones 244 pips in positive. Euro USD 19 pips in negative. USD gem 28 pips in positive. And Bitcoin, this month was not that good for Bitcoin, 92 pips in negative for Bitcoin. The recap of the week: Tokyo session give us two stop loss, 39 pips, one full take profit for 83 pips, and one TP1 for 32 pips. New York session give us five trades. The first trade was a sell position for 128 pips. Second trade, TP3, 80 pips. Third trade, plus 38 pips. Sell position yesterday give us 33 pips in negative. And today, a sell position is a real quick scalping, 48 pips in positive. So, by my side, that's all. That's all. You know, um, beautiful, 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 beautiful month. September will be beautiful too. Remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. Of course, the 80% of the people who vote yes, um, well, what happened? What happened? What's wrong with you guys? Of course, I'm not going to take any trade, guys. I just want to test uh, if the people understand the idea of the channel or not. And just the 60%, it's okay with the last profit. Never is enough, you know. Never is enough, guys. And you can apply that phrase in all the habits for the for your life, guys. Never is enough, you know. If my friend have a best computer than me, my computer is my computer is not enough for me. If my cell phone is worse than my friend, my cell phone probably is not enough for me. So so for that reason, you need to understand something, guys. Trading give us many chances to get profits, but most of the time that trade is not enough for us. Um, Something what I like to apply, you know, it's is to ask the profits into the chat, right? I ask every day the profits into the chat. Well, many people share, you know, many people share, um, and try to understand. That is the only who cares about your profit is you guys. So if you are okay with $5, that's nice. This is your $5. You make it by your own. If you're okay with $100, that's okay. You make it by your own. Don't compare with anyone. Probably here some people get more profits than me, but I don't care. You know, I'm okay with the profits in the in the last trade around $120 plus $120 in Nasdaq. plus $100 in, well, no, plus $60 was $64 in Tokyo. So, well, this is the deal. You need to continue and continue with constance will give you the the best rates. I know some people were angry, when we got the massive profits or something like this. Uh, but well, that's it. That's it. That's the reality. Never is enough. Never is enough. Exactly, Marco HQ. You need to be happy because that's your work. Just stay there, relax, enjoy your weekend. The ones who can take the trade. For that reason, the Telegram exists. For that reason, the Telegram exists. It's going to give us the entry, going to give us the information, everything. It's Friday, guys. It's Friday. It was a nice week. It was a nice week. To be honest, it was a really nice week. You can check all this information what I have here, the week trades into my streams starting Monday. Um, you will see my stop loss. You will see my full TPs. You will see all the information. The people in Discord always check the information. Um, and well, that's great. That's great. Tyrone, thanks to you, my friend, for being part of the community, being part of the Telegram, and being part of the Discord. I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate the support as usual. Thanks, everyone. What happened with Karen? Karen, stay quiet. Don't be weird. No one is fighting with you. Thank you. Have a good weekend, Michael Elliott. Thanks. No, Karen looks funny. You know. Nope, that's all, guys. That's all. That's all. Probably the price will fall into the 34.50, and we will see prices again to 34.40. Well, if I have to kick you, I will kick you. Uh, Thank you very much. Discipline is the key to success. Always follow the rules. Perfect, Marco. Thanks for being part of our community, my friend. Thanks for being part of the Telegram and the Discord. Johnny T, for you is the same. Thanks for being part of the Telegram, my friend. I appreciate that. Nova Blake, thanks, my friend. Thanks. Clive Boy, same for you, my friend. Thanks for being part of the community. The um killer or skiller disappear. Rafael, mi amigo, gracias a usted. Un poco de mentalidad, pero bueno, si sigue viniendo, ahí la va a ir desarrollando, poco a poco. Poco a poco, mi amigo. Have a good weekend. It's a pleasure. Same for you guys. Luxsters, Gita Paul. So well, guys, thanks for everything. Thanks for the likes. Today I think we got the record. 0 dislikes for today. 0 dislikes for today. Probably, if I say that, someone is going to click the dislike. For today was 450 likes and 0 dislikes. So that's great. That's gorgeous. That's really really nice, guys. Thanks for thanks for that. It's the first time what I don't receive a dislike. República Dominicana, mi amigo, puedo volver así, exacto. Puede volver a 33, a 34 o 40, por ahí. Probably yes. Probably if I'm saying that, I'm going to receive one dislike. Well, guys, by my side, always is a pleasure. Remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's not for free. It's $74, 1 year subscription. Okay, $74, 1 year subscription. It's not for free. It's $74, 1 year subscription. By my side, that's all. Enjoy your weekend, guys. I'll be back tomorrow in Telegram with Bitcoin if I see any opportunity. If not, we will pass for the last entry. So thanks, guys, for everything. See you all, people. See you all for 100%. See you all in Tokyo session for the people in next Tokyo session in Telegram. And here next New York session, guys. I'm angry. No, that is perfect, my friend. See you soon. LMS, as usual, enjoy your weekend and thanks for your support, my friend.